Hello students, in this session I am going to solve one more problem on income and expenditure account. Here is a problem of Hari Mohan Charitable Institution. In this they have asked to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended on March 31st, 2015. In this problem they have given three adjustments. While solving, first you have to write title, that is in the books of Hari Mohan Charitable Institution income and expenditure account as on 31st March 2015. Debit side you have to record expenditure, credit side income. While recording expenditure side item, you have to refer payment side items. In the payment side, first they have given furniture of rupees 3000. Furniture is asset. Therefore, you should not record furniture in the income and expenditure account, but it comes in the balance sheet. Next item in the payment side is investments of rupees 55,000. It is also an asset. Therefore, it comes in the balance sheet. It will not appear in the income and expenditure account. Next item is advance for building of rupees 20,000. It also comes in the balance sheet. Next item given is charities rupees 60,000. Charities, it is revenue expenditure, that means recurring. Related adjustments not given, therefore directly you have to write as to charities 60,000 expenditure side. Next item salaries given 10,400. Related salaries, here adjustment is there. Second adjustment, liabilities to be provided for our rent rupees 800, salaries rupees 1200. Here therefore salaries outstanding is 1200. Liabilities to be provided means not yet paid, outstanding. Therefore outstanding salary is 1200. You have to add to the 10,400. That is expenditure side you have to write to salaries 10,400, add outstanding of the current year 1,200, then you will get 11,600. Next item rent and taxes 4,000. Here in the second adjustment, rent rupees 800 outstanding is there, liabilities to be provided means not yet paid, outstanding. Therefore in the expenditure side you have to write to rent and taxes 4,000. Then outstanding of current year you have to add. Always current year's outstanding you have to add. If any outstanding of previous year is there means you have to deduct. Here current year outstanding of rent is 800. If you add these two, then you will get 4,800. Next item printing. Printing, it is also revenue expenditure, that is recurring. Therefore related adjustments not given, therefore you have to write expenditure side printing 1000. Next item is postage rupees 300. Related adjustment not given, it is also revenue expenditure. Therefore expenditure side to postage 300. Next item advertisement 1100. Related advertisement adjustment is there. Second adjustment, that is outstanding advertisement of rupees 200. You have to add that outstanding. Therefore expenditure side you have to write two advertisements 1100, add outstanding, that is of current year 200. Therefore outer column 1300. Next item in the payment side is insurance 4800. Here related adjustment not given, therefore you have to record to insurance 4800. Next item in the payment side given is closing cash at bank and closing cash in hand, that is 32,000 and 10,500. You should not record this closing balance in the expenditure side. You have to exclude that item. Next, while recording income side item, you have to refer receipt side item. In the receipt side they have given opening cash at bank and opening cash in hand. You have to exclude that opening balance. Next item given is donation. Donation 32,000. Here related donation adjustment given, first adjustment, that is it was decided to treat 50% of the amount received on account of legacies and donation as income. That means only 50% of the donation should be considered as income, not full amount. Here donation full book value is 32,000. Of 32,000 only 50% should be considered as revenue received. Therefore income side by donation 32,000 book value, of that only 50% you have to consider as revenue income. Then you will get 16,000. In the same adjustment, in the first adjustment they have given that 50% of legacies also should be considered as income. Therefore legacies book value is 24,000. Of that 50% should be considered as income. Therefore next item by legacies 24,000 into 50%, then you will get 12,000. Next item, here after donation they have given in the receipt side subscriptions. Subscriptions is of 50,200. Related adjustment not given, outstanding or prepaid like that, nothing given. Therefore directly subscription income side by subscriptions 50,200. Next item, after subscription in the question they have given endowment fund, that is of 60,000. Endowment fund always a capital receipt, non-recurring. It is used for some specific purpose. Therefore it comes in the balance sheet. It will not appear in the income and expenditure account. Legacies already recorded, only 50% is considered as income because they have given in the first adjustment. It is already recorded. Next item is interest on investment 3,800. It is revenue received, recurring. Related third adjustment given, rupees 2,000 due for interest on investment was not actually received. That means that is outstanding. Therefore here income side first you have to write by interest on investment, that is recurring 3,800. For that you have to add accrued interest, means income earned not yet received. Third adjustment 2,000. Then you will get outer column 5,800. Next item, interest on deposits rupees 800. Interest on deposit also recurring item, that means revenue received. Therefore you have to record income side by interest on deposits 800. Next item, sale of old newspaper given in the receipt side 500. It is also revenue receipt, means recurring. Here related adjustment not given. Therefore in the income side you have to record by sale of old newspaper rupees 500. In this solution here credit side total more, that is of 85,300. If you deduct debit side item from that total, then you will get balancing figure, that is of 1,500. That should be considered as surplus. Then you will get the same total both side. Next topic, meaning of balance sheet. Not-for-profit organizations prepare balance sheet for ascertaining the financial position of the organization. That means these organizations prepare balance sheet to find assets or liabilities of the organization. Here financial position means assets or liabilities. It shows assets and liabilities as at the end of the year. Usually balance sheet is prepared at the end of the year in trading concern and non-trading concern, that is not for profit organizations. Assets are shown on the right hand side and the liabilities on the left hand side. Under liability side, there will be a capital fund or general fund. All capitalized items like legacies, entrance fees, life membership fees, etc. are directly added to the capital fund. Surplus or deficit as per income and expenditure account, which is either added or deducted from the capital fund. In short, for general fund or for capital fund, only capital items should be added. Then if any surplus from income and expenditure, then you have to add that surplus. If any deficit is there, means you have to deduct that deficit from the capital fund. Then you will get the balance. Thank you.